What's up, everybody? Fat Cracker here. Time for another cooking video. Tonight we're going to do crack burgers. We're going to show you how to set it up. We're going to put it on the black stove and smash them and get them cooked and get them on the bun. Y'all keep watching. All right, everybody, we got everything straightened out. In the bowl here, we got about 3 pounds of ground beef. We're going to add to it 1, 2, 3 heaping, 4, almost a whole 16-ounce container of sour cream. I know this don't sound right, but trust the process. From what I see, it turns out pretty good. This is my first time trying it. And then we're going to add, hold on just a minute. All right, we added our sour cream. So what we're going to add now is I had an extra pack, 1 pack of Hidden Valley Ranch mix. We're going to sprinkle that in there. So then we got 2 packs of Kinder's Ranch dip mix. We're going to put that in there. Put that in there. Got that, get that in there. Then we're going to add a pound of chopped bacon. And then we're going to add about a half a pound of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to get my gloves on, mix this together, and we'll go from there. All right, we got our mixture all mixed together. And then I'm going to show you how to make the balls. And I'll make the rest of them. Then we'll get them on the flat top and get them smashed. All right. So what we got here is a 1/2 measuring cup. This is how to keep all your balls together before you put them on the flat top. So what we're going to do is fill this up. You want it full to the top like that. Now we take it, dump it out into our pan here, and then we just roll it around. And then you got all your balls for your smash burgers will be the same size. We'll do one more. Full to the top. Let's pull the excess off, put it back in the bowl. Full to the top, dump it out in our hand. Roll it around. There's another ball. If you see, they're about the same size. All right, I'll finish this up, see how many we get out of that 3 pounds, and then we'll go from there. All right, everybody, here's our balls. I ended up with 22 and 2 extra for the little one that don't like seasoning on anything. So it ended up with about 24 altogether out of that 3 pounds. And we're going to get the Blackstone fired up, and then we're going to start smashing some burgers. All right, everybody, we got the Blackstone heating up. It's already hot. We're going to do the ones with no seasoning on it. Show you how I'm going to do it. Then I'll do the rest to show you how it's done afterward. We're going to throw our balls on there. Get them on there. Got our smasher here. Put our parchment paper on it. Smash that down. I'm going to move this one over a little bit. Put it on there. Smash that down. Pull our parchment paper off. We'll let that sear for a little bit. Let them cook. You will get that nice crust on them. Kind of need to get a better masher. I don't like the grooves that one puts in it. We'll cook a little bit. All right, we'll flip it. Got a little bit of crust, could wait a little bit longer. We'll let that one cook a little bit longer. A little bit better crust on that one. All right, we'll let these finish up, and we'll get the other ones fried up, and we'll show you how we make our burgers and do a taste test, show you how it's done. All right, guys, here's our smash burger. Perfect crust on it. The bacon's crisp. I put American cheese on these, pepper jack on these. I'm gonna put pepper jack on this one. I'm gonna have American and pepper jack. I'm gonna double it up on my bun. And there you have it. I'm gonna make one, show you how it looks. Then we'll go taste test it. Stay with me. All right, guys, we got a brioche bun. Start making this up. So what I like to do is I put some Duke's mayonnaise on each side. Spread it in. Get that all in there. And then we'll put our bottom down. Shake up our ketchup. And I'll put a little spot of ketchup in the middle. About like that. Shake up our mustard. Put a little bit of mustard in the middle like that. Then we'll take our top and our bottom and kind of stir it around a little bit. Mix that up all there. All right. Don't look real pleasing, but that's the way I do it. Then we're going to add 4 pickles, hamburger dill. Put them on the bottom. And then we're going to come in with our pepper jack patty. Put it on top of there. And then we're going to come in with our American cheese patty. Put it on top. Then I sauteed up some onions out there while I was finishing up the last couple. We're going to bring it over. Slap it on there like that. Just like that. Throw the top on it. Smash it down even more. Then I'm going to take a knife, cut it right down the middle. The onions, of course, are going to come out a little bit. All right. There she is, nice and juicy. We'll get out and do a taste test. I've never tried this mixture before, so we'll see how it tastes. Y'all hang with me. All right, guys, we got the sandwiches here. We're going to give it a taste test. Bring it in. This is the second attempt, but we're going to give it a try. Here we go. That's a damn good burger right there. I'm going to need a napkin for that one. Anyways, first time I ever tried that. Definitely a crack burger. It's got good flavor. The ranch seasoning adds to it. The bacon being raw and cooking with the burger, that adds a unique flavor to it too. All in all, a good burger. Saw this video yesterday, figured I'd try, made a couple little tweaks to it for myself, but turned out pretty good. Remember, guys, get out there and cook. Give it a try. See a recipe. You don't like the way it looks, twist it to what you want. You can still make it taste good. All right, remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Y'all have a good one.